Here's my station. See the little mouse? And there's spiders crawling down from the spider web. Although that spider web is part of Derek's decorations. And my bats go all the way up to the top. There's my crow, the mouse in his mouth, and my gargoyles. I made everything in my station. The banner says trick or treat. There's my bats. And my lights just keep falling, so that's why they're like that. There's another big spider. With a spider. Oh, and here's my hand. A bloody knife. I drew that hand on there. And then here's a haunted house. There's a little bird up there. There's hands in the door. And there's birds on the trees.
Hi.
And a kitty.
Yes.
The Grim Reaper. And then the ghost I made out of vellum. There's caution tape on the door. There's a graveyard. Someone coming out of the grave. And then there's some more bats. Oh, and there's spiders hanging from the banner. It's hard to see with everything in here. Keep moving. Bye, Felicia!
That's funny.
Thanks for watching.